of the PhilHealth this
There is a
afternoon.
schedule this afternoon.
What time, sir?
Ano ba naman ang schedule ng presidente eh?
Any follow-up? No more? Okay.
But we have a cabinet meeting at 5:30.
Okay. Joyce, follow-up? Still on PhilHealth. Mike, please. Hada.
Sir, anong
Joy.
agenda dun? Good morning, sir. Anong agenda dun sa meeting with PhilHealth?
Siguro magre-report sila, di ba? He instructed them to make a comprehensive report on what is happening in PhilHealth.
So just to clarify, sir, walang mangyayaring sibakan later? Walang i-announce na ganun si Pangulong Duterte?
Hindi natin alam yung mangyayari. Bakit presidente lahat yan?
Who will be attending,
But
sir?
given that he has publicly acknowledged his trust on the president, I don't think there will be.
Who will be attending, sir?
Ay, siguro yung members ng board.
Department of Health also, sir? Will be
Hindi ko
there?
alam. Hindi ko alam kung kasama sila ron.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Joyce. Still on Hannah. And after Hannah, Joseph.
Hi, sir. Sir, nag-order po si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa National Bureau of Investigation na imbestigahan yung may-ari po ng WellMed, yung clinic po sa Quezon City na involved po dun sa ghost dialysis treatment. And minention din ni President Duterte na gusto niya papuntahin sa Malacanang yung may-ari.
Di ba pinaparesto niya nga?
Yes,
Kasi
yes,
may
sir.
continuing crime.
And he also gusto din daw ni President na papuntahin sa Malacanang and siya mismo daw gusto niya malaman mismo daw doon sa may-ari bakit daw nagawa nila yon.
Yes.
So, kasama po siya today.
I don't think so. Wala siya dun sa listahan na nakita.
So, anytime this week, pwedeng pumunta ng Malacanang Palace.
Most likely.
Okay, sir. Sir, sorry. Follow up na, sir. Fresh directives sa NBI regarding dun sa investigation.
How?
Directives po ng Pangulo sa NBI regarding dun sa arrest investigation dun sa WellMed po.
Yeah, the NBI is now already conducting the investigation.
Thank you, Hannah. Joseph.
Sir, si Presidente yung nagpatawag dun sa board, no?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, he has expressed confidence in the PhilHealth president. But how about the board, sir?
Hindi ko alam. Ito ba mga in-appoint ng kasabay ni ng
Appointed,
presidente?
sir? Yes.
Magkakasabay sila? Kung magkakasabay sila siguro, magkakasama silang may tiwala ang presidente. Unless there is proof that one or two or some of them have been involved. But what I understand is the field board has been conducting investigation and in fact has filed several administrative complaints.
That
They're
is,
the ones cleaning the PhilHealth.
So, sir, as far as the modus operandi is concerned, you don't think that this has parang connivance with the PhilHealth board or anyone from PhilHealth?
Oh, look, if there is any connivance, it will be dun sa baba. But let's wait for the investigation.
And as you said, yung reshuffling is totally not out of the question yet.
Well, everything is possible under this administration.
Muna on PhilHealth.
Sige. Thank you, Joseph. Rose, excuse me. After Rose, Bomboy still on the PhilHealth issue. Rose, please. Their issue. Rose sa PhilHealth. Mike, please. Mike. Yan. Thank you.
Good morning po, sir. Sir, can
Morning.
you elaborate po dun sa statement ni Pangulo na he wants reorganization of the PhilHealth?
Well, depende siguro yun sa report ng PhilHealth board kung anong kailangan reorganization.
Pero sir,
But certainly he wants to clean up the alleged irregularities in the PhilHealth rather.
do you think, sir, this is enough para po maiwasan na yung pagkakaroon ng fraudulent claims? Kasi yun na po yung matagal ng problema sa PhilHealth.
Kaya nga pinapaimbestiga niya, pag nalaman niya ang problema, may solusyon.
How about, sir, dun sa call po ng isang lawmaker, particularly po si Senator J.V. Harris ito na magkaroon ng replacement sa PhilHealth chief, someone who is expert po pagdating sa financial management?
That's the call of the president.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rose. May tanong pa sa PhilHealth or...